Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this summer season in Canada, I really wanted to buy some sunglasses. So when I was looking at the options in Amazon, I found this sunglasses camera. Wow, that sounds amazing. So I'm gonna do unboxing. Okay, so this is 1080 pixel. It has got a camera on off record. You can click pictures, USB, card slot. You can have like recording speed 30 fps, 5 minute resolution. You can see 1.5 hours. It's amazing, right? All such features. I got it in around $65 from Amazon. Let me unbox it and see what exactly I have got. See, this location will have a camera. Okay, this is the shop card. Fine. And this is the actual material. So I've got a charger, the actual glasses, okay, charging wire and lens cleaner. Perfect. So you can see the camera here and you can see the slots. Okay, now what? Okay, this is the place to charge. Okay, what else I have got here? There's nothing on this right side. On left side I have a point to charge, and I do have some additional stuff over here. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. If not, I'll see what else I can do. Okay, as you can see guys, look carefully. The memory card is embedded right here. So the only thing I need to do is to charge it and use it. I'm gonna do it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you like this.